What is an earthquake? In Swedish, it's called jordbävning. An earthquake is a sudden shaking of the ground caused by the movement of tectonic plates beneath Earth's surface. These plates constantly move, but sometimes they get stuck at their edges due to friction. When stress builds up over time, it eventually overcomes the friction. When the stress overcomes the friction, energy is released in the form of seismic waves that travel through the Earth, causing the ground to shake. The point where the earthquake originates underground is called the hypocenter, while the point directly above it on the surface is the epicenter. Earthquakes vary in intensity from barely noticeable tremors to catastrophic events that can destroy entire cities. Let's explore the types of earthquakes and how their strength is measured. There are three main types of earthquakes based on how they form. Tectonic earthquakes occur along plate boundaries and are the most common type. They happen when tension between plates suddenly releases. Volcanic earthquakes happen near active volcanoes due to magma movement. These often precede eruptions and help scientists predict volcanic activity. Collapse earthquakes are smaller events caused by cave-ins or underground explosions. They typically have localized impact and may result from mining activities or natural cave collapses. The strength of earthquakes is measured using different scales, each providing unique insights. The Richter scale measures the energy released by an earthquake. It's a logarithmic scale, meaning each whole number increase represents a tenfold increase in amplitude and about 31.6 times more energy. The Mercalli scale measures the intensity of shaking and visible damage. Unlike the Richter scale, it's based on observable effects rather than instrumental measurements. The logarithmic nature of the Richter scale means that small numerical increases represent enormous differences in earthquake power. Modern seismologists often use the moment magnitude scale for more accurate measurements, especially for larger earthquakes. Seismographs detect ground vibrations and convert them to waveforms, allowing scientists to analyze earthquake characteristics. Earthquakes primarily occur due to the movement of tectonic plates on Earth's surface. These massive plates float on the semi-fluid asthenosphere beneath the Earth's crust. These plates constantly move at rates of a few centimeters per year. When plates interact at their boundaries, they can get stuck due to friction while continuing to push against each other. This interaction builds up enormous stress and strain in the rocks over time. When this stress exceeds the strength of the rocks, they suddenly break or slip along fault lines. This releases the stored energy as seismic waves that propagate through Earth's interior and surface. This sudden release is what we experience as an earthquake, causing the ground to shake. The majority of earthquakes occur along plate boundaries, particularly in subduction zones. One of the most active regions is the Ring of Fire circling the Pacific Ocean, where approximately 90% of the world's earthquakes occur. To summarize, earthquakes are caused by tectonic plate movements, stress buildup at plate boundaries, sudden release along fault lines, and energy propagation as seismic waves.